That today there are robots that can pick fruit and sensors that know what a plant wants and when. Here are 7 Israeli technologies that are making farming more efficient and more sustainable. Nitzafim is famous for inventing drip irrigation, a system which drips water directly into plants. Today they offer sustainable turnkey projects that include high-tech greenhouses and advanced control and monitoring open platform.
This open platform wraps up 50 years of experience, put it up in the cloud, use this big data in order to serve every farmer worldwide.
Israel recycles over 86% of its wastewater, by far the highest in the world. The shaft down to microorganisms and cleans it until it is safe to drink. Tyrannus is an intelligence platform that uses satellite imagery, aerial footage, big data
per pixel.
Wow.
That means that we can see a tiny insect on a leaf.
BioBee uses predatory wasps to control insects as a biopesticide. It thereby reduces the need for chemical pesticides. Groundwork BioAg uses tiny crop yield with less fertilizer.
So the fungus penetrates the plant root. It effectively extends that root in an underground web. The fungus can break down nutrients that are otherwise unavailable to the plant and physically mobilize them into the plant.
FF Robotics makes robots with computer vision that can actually... Supplant uses big data and sensors to talk. With more people on the planet, we need to grow more food with less water and